Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this particular video I'm sharing how to groom your nails. Yes, just outside my house I met this gentleman, and he does nails on a mobile basis because of lockdown. The salons are closed, their salon is closed. So he approached me, he asked me if I would like to do my nails, and I'm like, why not? So let me share with you how to groom your nails. In this video you are going to learn how to apply artificial nails to your fingernails, nail polish, and you're going to learn how to groom them, basically how to cut your fingernails, how to trim them. Yes, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it. Thank you so much. Let's go. So he started by cutting the nails well, reshaping them properly. Made sure my fingers are very clean, washed with soap and water. He's also washed with soap and water. I gave him water and soap to wash, and I gave him disinfectant, and made sure all the tools he used on me are mine, my personal tools. Yes. The only thing I didn't give him was the remover and the Q-Tex, but the tools were all mine. After cutting them, trimming them, reshaping them, filing them, buffing them, he cleaned them out with spirit and chose the nails that fit on my fingernails. Started fitting the artificial nails onto my fingernails with glue, nail bond. Yes, like this. Files it a bit so that it takes my nail shape properly and fits it on. Watch clearly how he puts bond glue on the artificial nail and places it on my fingernail and squeezes a little, presses a bit so that it's firm on my fingernail, on my natural nail. This is nail bond he brought, he came with it, and he goes on to apply all the artificial nails on all the fingers. Yes, using same method. Chooses an artificial nail, files it so that it takes the shape of my natural nail, adds fastening bond, nail glue or something, nail glue, and joins the artificial nail with my natural nail so that it looks like they are my real nails. Yes, it goes on. In this video we did both the feet and the fingers, but right now I'm only posting the fingers, and I will post the toenails in another video. Yes, you see what he's doing. This you can do at home. You can do it yourself, or your husband can do it for you, your sister. This can be done at home. Watch and learn, guys. So he has finished to add the artificial nails to my natural nails. See how they look? They are like claws, very long, and I'm not a nail person, so I just had to cut them down. So I want them down as much as possible. Yes, so he uses a nail cutter to cut them down in a shape of your choice, and I wanted this box shape. It looks more normal for me. Yes, it's what I wanted something simple. So after trimming them all together, like you see, this you can do at home. You can play this video and replay it as many times, and you can do this yourself at home, or anyone at home can help you to do your nails like this. And after that, after cutting them, they have to be reduced more, you guys. I'm not a long nails person, so he goes ahead to use a file and a buffer to file them well, to file them or to make the edges smooth, and to reduce them more by filing them, buffing on them, and making the edges smooth. Please like this video, share the video, and leave me a comment in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to click on the notifications bell to be notified every time I post a video. Yes, the filing and the buffing and the smoothening of the artificial nails is going to go on for all the nails, and he is also using the cutter to cut out anything. He then uses cotton with a remover to clean out the dust from the filing of the nails, to make them clean and smooth, getting them ready. Nail polish, I have to choose colors. I've chosen baby purple and this white. Yes, looks more easy for me to handle. And so he's starting to apply the nail polish. The first layer of nail polish is applied to all the fingernails, the artificial fingernails. Yes, all of them, both hands. He goes ahead and applies to both hands, all fingernails. Look at how he does it. Look closely. Fetches the nail polish and applies from the bottom of the nail to the top. Yes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, click on the like button, share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to click on the notifications bell to be notified every time I post a video. And don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. After applying the first layer, he then applies the second layer. Applies first layer on both hands, then applies the second layer of the same color nail polish on the same fingernails, like this, because for now they are already semi-dried. So he's putting the second layer. See, that's how they are after he has put the second layer. And now he goes ahead to apply that white color decoration at the top of the nail. He's very careful. He's being very slow and very careful because it has to be in a straight line. It's meant to decorate the nail. See how he's doing it? You can do this as a business. You can do this for your wife at home, for your kids at home. You can teach your kids this skill, because for me, I teach my kids these things. I paint my children's nails, so let them do each other's nails. I do these things to teach them the skill. So it's not only for ladies, it's for all of us. Ladies, gentlemen, children can watch this video and can learn this skill. You can rewind the video as many times as you want. So the nails are done, but as you can watch closely, there is peel-off polish at the side, at the fingers on the skin. So now it's time to clean the peel-offs at the side. He gets a small cotton, adds some remover, nail remover, and starts to clean. Watch closely how he's doing it. He's cleaning at the side, at the edges, under the nails, all the peel-off nail polish from the nails to give them a finished clean look. Look at how he's doing it. Watch closely and practice this at home. Practice makes perfect. Goes on to all the fingernails, cleans all the fingernails, and wow, done. Bam bam. So thank you so much for watching. Like this video, share it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye.